In this training session we're continuing to look at sales orders, and now we're going to look at how to create a new sales order. So we're going to say processing sales orders, and then we're going to click on the new option. This will allow us to select a customer. So you select your specific customer. If you've added an additional address under debtors maintenance, you can now select that address. If you don't want that address and you want to return to the normal address, you can reset the address. You can select a date for your sales order. You can even select an estimate date, in other words, when will this be ready. You can specify a delivery method. You can specify an order number. You can select a rep. The reps you create under module parameters, the general tab. Then you can specify a sales order memo or a delivery note number. You can say you can select, must this sales order be inclusive or exclusive. If you've selected warehousing or you've switched on multiple stock locations, you can select the warehouse from which the goods must be invoiced. You can also specify an internal order number. Then I am at this stage a supervisor. That's why supervisor logon is grey. Calculator is available for you to use. You can specify a long description. In other words, you can now type in a long description that will be available at the bottom of all the items you've used on your sales order. You can look at item details if you've got an item selected, or you can amend your stock items. You can use your user define field if you've created any. You've got your flash reports that you can select if you've designed your reports, and then once you've selected your items, you can process and display or process and print your sales order. And that will complete the first half of how to create a new sales order.